Hello student, I Professor Kalyani Purkar. Welcome to my channel. Today we study about the introduction to PHP. In this video we study about the introduction, means what is PHP, variables, how to declare variables in PHP, operators, how to use operators in PHP, and PHP control structures. Start from introduction. PHP is a hypertext preprocessor. PHP is cross-platform HTML embedded and server-side scripting language. Cross-platform means runs on any operating system. HTML embedded means in HTML code we can add PHP code anywhere. Server-side scripting language means everything done on server side. PHP script start with less than question mark PHP and ends with question mark greater than. Syntax for PHP: PHP start with less than question mark PHP statements and closing of PHP question mark greater than. Then advantages of PHP. PHP, it is a very simple and easy to use language. PHP is a interpreted language. PHP is a faster language. PHP is open source, means code available in anywhere. PHP is a platform independent, that is run on any operating system, and PHP is a case sensitive. See the example of PHP here. PHP start /, this is a single line comment. Echo is used to display the output or to display the message. Hash also used for single line comment. Then closing of PHP. Output of this program is hello world. PHP variables. Variables are used to store the data. $sign is used to declare a variable. For example, $A. A is a variable name. $sign is used to declare a variable. Stud also a variable name. Then PHP operators. There are the 4 types of operator. First is arithmetic operator. See, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, module, increment or decrement. These are the arithmetic operations. Addition is used to perform the addition. Subtraction is used to perform the subtraction. Multiplication for perform the multiplication. Division for division. Module for find out the remainder. Increment. In increment, 2 types, pre-increment and post-increment, same as decrement. Second is assignment operator. Assignment operator are equal to, plus equals to, minus equal to, into equals to, divide equals to, mod equals to. Equals to means, for example, x is equal to y is same as x equals to y. Then x plus equal to y means x equals to x plus y, and so on. Then next is comparison operators. Comparison operators are is equals to, is strictly equals to, is not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, or less than equals to. Logical operator, there are the 3 logical operators: and, or, not. Control structure. PHP supports many control structures. In this we study first if statement. Syntax for if statement: if is an entry control loop structure. If condition is true, then execute the if bracket, otherwise go to next instruction. Next is if else statement. Syntax for if else is if condition is true, then if code is executed, otherwise else code is executed. Then switch case. Switch case is a multi-way decision statement. Syntax for switch case is switch condition, then according to condition case are executed. Break statement is used to terminate the execution. By default case is executed. Next is while statement. While is an entry control loop structure. While condition, if condition is true, then while block executed, otherwise go to next instruction. Second is do while statement. Do while is similar to while, but there is a difference between while and do while. Is while is a entry control loop structure, do while is a exit control loop structure. In while, condition check and then statements are executed. In do while, first one time statements are executed, then condition is check. Next is for loop. For loop having syntax increment or in initialization, condition increment or decrement. If condition is true, then statements are executed, otherwise stop the execution. I hope you understand basic concept related to PHP. Thank you.